class, we have to discuss how to construct an isosceles triangle with base length 50 mm and altitude 60 mm. Before going to that, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? What do you mean by isosceles triangle? What do you mean by it? We know that a triangle is a three-sided closed figure, isn't it? Three-sided closed figure. Suppose its measure, the value of this angle is equal and the two sides are equal, then we can say that this triangle is isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? A triangle having two sides and two angles are equal, then it is called isosceles. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? A triangle having two sides and two angles are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Now we have to discuss how to construct an isosceles triangle using the base length is 50 mm and altitude 60 mm. Here this is base, that is given, that value is 50 mm, and this is the altitude. This is the altitude. Its value is given, that is 60 mm. By using compass and ruler, by using this dimension, we have to construct an isosceles triangle. Let's see how to construct it. First, let's see. Length of line AB is given. That is 50 mm, and the length of altitude is given, that is 60 mm. By using this dimension, you have to construct a isosceles triangle. First, we have to draw a straight line AB. Using your scale, first we draw a straight line AB. Its length is 50 mm. This length is 50 mm. Now mark its point A at here and B at here. Next step is draw a semicircle. Now take your compass and set a radius more than half length of the line AB for constructing or bisector. Take more than half length in your compass and set the compass point on A. Draw an arc upper side of the line AB. Similarly, draw an arc with the lower side. Reset your compass point on B. Draw another arc at upper side. Similarly, draw an arc at lower side. Then we can get two intersecting point here. That point is called, this point is called P, and this is called Q. Now we have to connect these 2 points using a straight line by using your scale. Now we have to construct its bisector of line AB. This point is called O. Now again take your compass and scale, transfer 60 mm radius in your compass. Now place your compass point on O, draw an arc. That arc cut the bisector line here. That point is called C. This point is called C. Now joining C to A and C to B by using an inclined line. Now we have to complete our isosceles triangle. That means these two sides are equal and these two angles are also equal. So, but what do you mean by isosceles triangle? A triangle whose two sides and two angles are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Then Next step, you have to draw its dimension. For drawing dimension line, draw an extension line from here, keeping the length 12 millimeter. Same way, draw an extension line here. Now fix your dimension line here, keeping the 10 millimeter gap from the line AB. Fix your arrow, closed arrow is used here. Now place your values. What is the base length that is given? 50 mm. This is 50. Similarly, the altitude value is also given. This is altitude that is given. That value is also given. That is 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. Now place your value like this, 60. Okay, now complete our example. Okay, we will see in next class.